Hi, welcome to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Gina Louise. I like to do DIYs, trash to treasure makeovers, and thrift store hauls. Because of the pandemic and looking like hell, I'm not doing any on-camera stuff. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can take Dollar Tree flowers and change them into looking like more high-end silk flowers that you would buy from a craft store. So without further ado, let's get crafting. You're going to need peonies from the dollar store, pearls. I used the 12mm pearls for this project, and your hot glue gun. So I have a bunch of peonies here, and you're going to take them and you're going to remove the heads of 3 peonies to create one big lush peony. So when you take the heads off the stems, you're going to remove the little plastic back that holds them together. And you're only going to need one of these. Obviously you're going to end up with 3, but you're only going to need one. And then in the center you have that little plastic cone piece. You're going to need to save one of those as well. Now when you take the petals apart, place them down in size order, and this way you keep all the large pieces together, the medium and the small ones. It makes it easier for you to put them back together. Now you're going to glue all the petals together, starting with the large ones. Make sure when you glue them together that the petals are not lined up, that the next petal you place on is in between the 2 before it. But make sure that the circles in the center are lined up so that when you put them back together with the stem, it's easier to get through. Start with the large, then do the medium size petals, and then the small is usually attached to that little plastic cone piece, and then you're just going to take that and you're going to pop it right through the center. Also, when you put the little dab of hot glue on each petal, make sure you don't keep putting the hot glue in the same spot, because then it's going to build up and you're going to have a hard area on your flower. Make sure that little dab goes in a different spot every time you add the next petal. And don't over glue it, you just need a little tiny dab. I decided to poke the last piece through the last 2 petals that I'm adding. And then I'm just going to poke that little piece that has that little tiny stem right through the center where the hole is. Remember, you're supposed to line them up so that that hole is nice and clear so you can pop that tiny little stem through it. I like to put a little dab of glue here before I put the backing on. Now I put 2 or 3 of the leaves on the stem, and then I'll put the peony on the stem. And look at the flower already, it looks so much prettier. Look how full the flower is now. It looks so much nicer. It looks like one of the expensive ones you buy from a craft store. Now I put the flower back on the stem, and then I take one of the pearls and I will hot glue the pearl in the center of the flower. For some reason I can't find the footage, but all I did was glue one of the white pearls from the Dollar Tree in the center of the flower. In my next video, I will show you how I made those recycled jars that I make my flower arrangements in. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel.
Thank you.